give your name.
Joel Williams, Mayor of Maypen. I have responsibility for a cluster of three polling divisions. I had a colleague covering the other two. One is at Park Hall and the other one is at up in the hills at Collington. This is Strout Hall. So I'm monitoring this one for the time being. So far, based on our canvas, I am satisfied with how we're flowing.
So you're expecting things to pick up
Yes,
later?
I'm expecting things to pick up as the day goes on. You have persons who are still at work. You have persons who are coming in from various parishes who work outside of the constituency. So by midday, I'm expecting our numbers to surpass what they would have gotten in the box in the last election.
And are you expecting the JLP to maintain the seat, knowing that this is a historically a PNP seat?
It is historically a PNP seat, but what has happened is that they have taken the people for granted. Very little work has been done when you look at the road condition in the area, and with no disrespect to former Member of Parliament Horace Daly, you've been in power for 18 years, right? And 18 years in power, and you were a minister. I would have expected that the roads in the area would be much better than what I've seen. Equally, my former colleague, Councillor Dawson, who is on the ticket for today, I would have expected that as councillor that he would have done much better as it relates to roads, as it relates to water, as it relates to the whole farming sector. You talk to the people and you get the sense that, hey, we guys were taken for granted. Nothing really has been done for them to enhance their lives. So I am pretty confident that Suzette will do a marvelous job when the opportunity is given this afternoon.
All right, thank you.